What I tried to do was to take nuggets out of each of the fields of science. Mathematics, geology, paleontology. I want to talk about the science of geology at the moment. We already covered the science of mathematics, and in that particular session this morning at 11 a.m., we analyzed whose scenario is correct. You know, there's something that the atheists and the evolutionists and the creationists and all of us can agree on, and you know what that is? It's a number. It's 7.8 billion. What's 7.8 billion? The world population. Well, how do you know, John? Well, you take the census and you add them up. And that's what we get. And everybody knows there is how many people on the planet? 7.8 billion. Soon it'll be 7.9, but we'll go with 7.8 now. Okay, so it's like knowing a math problem. You know the problem and you know the answer. That's different. Usually math teachers don't give you the answer. I'm giving you the answer. The answer is 7.8 billion. Here's the rub. Whose scenario gets us there? The evolution scenario or the creation scenario? So which is correct? We're going to go back only 4,500 years from now. Why? Because the Bible, which we believe, says that there was a global flood, and it indicated that it was at about that time frame. And most biblical scholars agree with that it's about 4,500 years ago was the global flood of Noah's day. Evolution doesn't believe that at all. They believe that man just randomly evolved by time and chance. And they said it took 500,000 years, that's 500,000 years, for man to come in his present form. So let's see whose scenario plays out. We're going to let them both have a growth rate of 2.5 children per family, which works out to about 0.5% annual growth rate, because 2 kids replace 2 parents and leave half a kid, numerically. And so it's about 0.5% growth rate that you're left with. And so here we go. And it results in 7.8 billion people. And I know I just typed that and put it up there, but I can show you the math if you want to see it. It does come out to that at this growth rate of 0.466%. 0.466, that's like 46 cents or 47 cents. That's under 1/2, right? So, but look, here's the most popular biology book in America that says the evolutionary journey to modern humans, that's us, ends with the appearance about 500,000 years ago of Homo sapiens. And that's the Raven and Johnson AP biology book, probably the most popular book in America on biology. And that's what they say. But they must never crunch their numbers. If they crunch their numbers, they would see it is absolutely false, false, false. And it's not just a little bit off. It's numbers I can't even name off. This is what it would equal. Now, this might not mean anything to you. 1.66 times 10 raised to the 1,012th power. However, creation's hitting the bullseye, and evolution is way, 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 way off. So let's see what that would look like. Now, actually, a lot of people in that realm say that man's been around 1 million years. Well, whatever. But using the Bible's numbers and common sense, we do get 7.78 or 7.8 billion people, rounded off, times 10 to the 9th power. And so that's billions. 10 to the 9th means billion. 10 to the 12th is trillions, and so on. All right, so here we go. So just how big is this number? Drum roll, please. Boom. That's how many zeros their number is.